Hello, friends. My name is Dr. Ranveer Pava. I am a doctor of natural medicine and also a homeopath, Ayurveda practitioner, holistic nutritionist, clinical herbalist, and an acupuncturist. In this two-part video series, I am talking about what should be our food and diet after COVID 19 infection or post COVID 19 infection. However, this diet can be taken after any infection one had. Part 1 of the video I have talked about soft diets like broths and soups and more. Part 2 talks about the balanced diet that includes major and minor food groups and supplements. Part 2, it consists of major and minor food groups. This diet can be started slowly after we are done with soft diet. However, sometimes soft diet should be added in between solid and semi-solid diets like khichdi, broths, and soups, etc. Major food groups. Major food groups include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates will provide you energy in the form of glucose after metabolism. Examples of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, oats, corn, millets. Millets are like ragi, bajra, jowar, sonk, rice, kodu, etc. Further, sweet fruits and root vegetables also form the carbs group. The root vegetables are carrots, taro root, in Hindi called arbi, ratalu, potatoes, yams, sweet potatoes, and more. The next major food group is protein. Proteins are building blocks of the body. Post COVID patients should take in moderate amount. Proteins give you strength also. So major proteins come from boiled eggs, chicken, turkey, fish, lentils, and beans. Some from nuts and seeds. After proteins, the major food group is fats. Fats are very important for the body. They are all present in all the cells of body. Without fats, body cannot function. Fats come from animal fats like butter, lard, and various vegetable oils make fats too. What are oils from seeds, all different kind of seeds oils. Small fatty fish, omega 3, essential fatty acids, nuts and seeds. Minor food groups are naturally available vitamins and minerals from the foods. 1. Dark colored fruits and vegetables and bean sprouts can provide certain important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B complex, and vitamin C. Additionally, calcium, iron, and other trace minerals. Cereals, lentils, and beans, and green beans, nuts, and seeds may provide B complex vitamin, vitamin E, and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, zinc, and other trace minerals. Third, eggs, poultry, meat, and fish can provide vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and B complex. Also, minerals like calcium, potassium, sodium, iron, zinc, copper, and iodine. Further important aspect is in minor foods is dietary fibers. They are soluble and insoluble kinds. In adequate quantity, fiber is very important to keep bowels functioning or moving. The examples are whole grain flours, cooked lentils, and beans. Vegetables, this includes leaves, stems, roots, and flowers of the vegetable plant parts. Fruits like guava, Hindi amrud, cantaloupe, kharbuza, plums, watermelon, apple, pear, figs, tamarind, and more are good to be taken. To have the fiber. Psyllium husk, not the least, it comes from Plantago ovata plant. Most of us know it, also called bhusi in Hindi. Then we move to a very important part of this talk is friendly bacteria or probiotics. Billions of important microorganisms live in our body. They are called friendly bacteria or probiotics. They make our gut ecology. Somebody said a garden within and do many most important favorable functions. Antibiotics kill our probiotics colonies. This loss is responsible for many health ailments later in life. One should replenish friendly bacteria after the treatment of antibiotics. Naturally, probiotics are available from curd, dahi, called yogurt, buttermilk, sauerkraut, kefir, and more. However, now they are available in capsules, powder form, and liquid form. To support better growth of probiotics, one should take prebiotics also. They are from plant groups and provide a kind of fiber that helps in the growth of friendly bacteria. The common prebiotics are garlic, onions, turmeric, banana, Jerusalem, artichoke, dandelion greens, leek, asparagus, barley, oats, apples, fructooligosaccharides, and others. One can study all that in research papers and on the internet also. Further, I talk about after sickness, in many cases we lose electrolytes due to medicines and inadequate amount of intake of fluids due to various reasons. Therefore, they have to be replenished soon. One can take pharmacy electrolytes in packets or bottles. The coconut water, very good, natural electrolyte provider, fluid, vegetable broths and soups, lemon juice in water with salt added, we call homemade salty lemonade or shikanji. Enough water should be taken that flushes toxins and quenches your thirst. One can take one glass 250 ml of water every 2 hours. Children can drink less than the adults' quantity. Additionally, we're going to talk about the antioxidants. They prevent damage to the tissue in the body through various internal and external toxins. Natural antioxidants, are the phytochemicals. They come from dark colored vegetables and fruits, spirulina, beans, and lentil sprouts. If not diabetic, then one can take healthy sugars with diet that are non-chemical and not colored. Jaggery. So jaggery should be naturally made. The jaggery is available like good. They have added color, like yellow or red. I see, but the natural one is like a brownish sort of look. Unpasteurized honey, organic maple syrup, organic brown cane, sugar, and agave syrup. Further, I say if a patient cannot get nutritionally dense food and diet, they can depend on outside supplies to replenish the losses. They can be supplied by pharmacy and health food stores. Some nutritionally balanced drinks may provide proteins also. They are vitamins and minerals and antioxidants can be bought from health food stores and pharmacies. They are multivitamins with minerals containing vitamins like A, D, E, K, and B complex. B complex vitamins should be like B1, B2, B3, B5, B7, B12, PABA, para-aminobenzoic acid, choline, inositol, methionine. They all form B complex. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, selenium, copper, boron, manganese, etc. However, as needed due to the deficiency of a particular vitamin and a mineral in the body, one can supplement single vitamin and or mineral with multivitamin minerals combinations. So this was all about the post-COVID food and diet, part 2, major and minor food groups. Hope you would have liked it. It's very important to consider this kind of diet, after even in any infections, either it is viral infections and bacterial infections or parasites. So this is the end of this talk, part 2. And thank you. You take care. More so, the listeners, viewers should like and subscribe and share this talk. I would really appreciate that. Bye bye. See you in another good